Right, guys, if you've been watching me TikTok live the past few days, you would have seen what's been going on with Christian Bruckner, the prime suspect in Madeline, and to do with the police. They've issued me with an injunction against Christian Bruckner. They said that he is now a victim, Christian Bruckner. Right, but bear in mind, he's just gone to jail after doing stuff to a 72-year-old. The worst of the worst. However, they've now said immigration. I was meant to go to immigration today. I didn't go. Here's all the paperwork. But I'm just going to screenshot it so you can just zoom in on it, guys. As you see here where it says the top Christian Bruckner, right? And you'll see there when you go further down, it says he is a victim. How can you say that Christian Bruckner is a victim? Now, this is on the next page where you see that he was assaulted. That was a couple of days ago, allegedly. I don't know anything about it. Obviously, I'm a law-abiding citizen. But yeah, now they're literally trying to get me out of the country. That's why they tried to send me to immigration today. But Christian Bruckner, guys, is massively, massively protected by these police. It's crazy the amount of protection that he receives. And the police have come with the worst attitudes towards me, stopping me in the streets, coming to my hotel. It's been terrible, the protection that he has. And now he's classed as a victim. Think about all the victims that he's committed, that he's made. Do you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. More to come soon.